I have been feverishly working on trying to get all my foxglove babies out into the garden so that they can bloom and look gorgeous this year. Right behind this space in front of the fountain, I planted about 15 foxglove here. And then back here in the corner next to the daffodils, I planted another 5 right under the purple pony. There was one here already and I added 2 more, and then I added a grouping of 5 in the corner back there. And I planted several groupings here in the orchard area. I planted a set of 3 here, and I planted a set of 5 there. And I've been filling this area next to the Wichita, blue juniper, and the cotton candy apium with more of the foxglove and the lamb's ear. It's amazing how hard it is to find a place to put all these. And here next to the yellow bearded iris, I put 3 more, and there was 1 left over from last year, and I don't know if you can see it from here. This area here is covered in little baby seedlings. I dropped a flower spike from a foxglove here when I was trying to do the Linda Vater method, and I think it kind of worked because there's tons here. I don't think I'll do that again. That was kind of maybe a newbie move. The rose is looking fantastic. Right behind this are some more foxglove that seeded themselves. You can see them all over. And of course, the sea of foxglove in this space. I need to do a better job of editing next year because this kind of looks messy. Not a fan of the way it looks. It'll be beautiful in the spring, but the rest of the season it needs a little more focus. And the last place I put a few of the foxglove were here in the raised beds because I thought, why not? Might be pretty to have some foxglove here. So I put 2 here and I think 4 or 5 in between these 2 beds. So I think in total, that probably takes me to around 50 plants that came out of that one raised bed that collapsed on me and had all my little foxgloves in it, a la Linda Vater's. Cut the stalk off and drop it on top of a bed of soil. Not too bad. I still have quite a few left, of course. Remember, both these bins were full. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.